It's Aspen.
It's good.
Yep, it's Aspen
For cooking.
and Dado from Aspen and Dad Simply Cooking. What are we making today? What are we making?
A pretty treat.
We're making crispy treats. So we got some Fruity Pebbles. The kids have been asking to make Rice Krispie treats the last 3 days. So I agreed. It's Memorial Day weekend. I figured, why not? So what you're going to need is vanilla extract, some cereal, some butter. What about those? Marshmallows. And we don't have any Rice Krispie treats, so I'm going to use Captain Crunch instead. Let's do this. So we got a pot for our butter. We're going to drop our butter right on in. High five. Probably add in one of these ingredients. Which one do you think?
This one.
That's spot on. And this is vanilla.
I want vanilla in
Go
it.
ahead, pour it in. Perfect. What should we add in next? We added the vanilla in.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallows. You're spot on. Should we? Or it says 6 cups.
6 cups. I want to pick them now. I want to pick them.
Pour that one on in. Pour it in. Hey, pour the cup in. Right here. Not your mouth. 2, 3, 4. That should be good. We'll save a little bit. And you can have these ones. If they fall, they're yours.
I want this here for me.
Now we're going to take our Fruity Pebbles.
Here, my favorite.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Mixing it on in. Mix it up. Mix it real good.
I gotta put some more in there.
Some more marshmallows. You have at it. If you deem it necessary, you do it. And Aspen's secret ingredients. Oh no. Crispy treats done. So we're gonna load them up in our pan. Go ahead and grease it down a little bit. Treats in there. Just go ahead and start moving one around, getting them fixed.
No, don't do that.
That's how you do it.
No.
How do you know?
No.
And now we just wait for them to cool, and we'll have a good crispy treat in a minute.
Is it what milk?
With milk? All right, so we have the Rice Krispie treats. They're done, and they're looking fantastic. Don't they look good?
Yeah. Good. Good.
It is good. Here comes my little terror. You want to try one? You want to try one? Oh yeah. What you think?
Mm,
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Easy, simple, delicious. Something great to make, fun with the kids. Catch you in the next one. I love you. Peace.